Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they want to make a realistic looking chain, and they've already done that. I've made many videos on chain. I like this for the one I'm doing it for. You even have the little notches for where the chain's been welded. Some of them are, offset where like this one's looking at the edge. That one, the space isn't as big. I would not, he did it with Artistic Media Tool, and I just sent him a link to one I've done. I wouldn't change anything. I would run it like this. Change your point, make it a little bit thicker. Well, can't do that on this case. But what I would suggest would maybe, I don't know if he's an engraver or a printer, I would suggest getting the Smart Fill tool and make one of the chain's links darker than the other one. Or basically you could do them all the same color. I even look like the way it's narrowed, like that chain further away. Then just get the Artistic Media Tool and change it to a lighter gray and fill in. I'm gonna have to zoom in. Fill in these other parts. And I think I would be really proud of that. I would not change a thing. If you look at it, that's a realistic looking chain. A chain doesn't, fall perfectly and, like it's twisted, and I'd kind of be curious to know how he did that. And just, do every other one again. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I think it'd be well worth it. And you could even, if you're printing this, you could actually even have some of the chains even a different color between the two, just like the way it would look. But that to me is a realistic looking chain. I'm going to get back with him, or he'll get back with me, and we can go from there. But that looks really real. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.